In today's video I will show you how to put your game on pause with the overlay screen. We start by creating a new canvas called Pause Canvas. In this canvas you can add text, buttons, whatever you want. Make sure to disable the pause canvas. Now create an empty object called GameManager. Give it the GameManager script. This script will hold the pause canvas. In this script we will check if the escape button is pressed. When we press the escape button, we toggle a function. This function will put the timescale on 0, will put the canvas on active, will put all the audio listeners to pause and make the cursor visible. When we press escape again, we will put the timescale back to 1 and put everything to false. Let's see how it works. I made everything look pretty. And as you can see, the timer will stop when I press escape. I hope this was useful. Enjoy.
Visit clipcourse.dev and navigate to the tutorial section in the category list. You'll discover all our tutorials along with the accompanying files available for free and secure download with just one click.